So here we have the Ford S-Max titanium automatic on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors. Currently all 7 seats are in place, so this is the amount of boot space you have as a 7-seater. Let me show you what it's like with those 2 rear ones folded down. As you can see, the space is greatly increased. The 3 remaining seats will also fold flat as well, should you need even more space than this. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. Now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. You can see in the middle the total miles on this car are 15,477. Directly below that it will show you what gear this car is currently in. On the left hand side we have a trip computer. The information can be changed using buttons on the left hand side of the steering wheel, and on the right hand side we have menus for navigation, entertainment, your phone and speed, which we were on just a moment ago, and they can be changed using the buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel. So those controls are the right hand side and left hand side for the 2 menus corresponding in the middle there. Also on the left we've got cruise control and speed limiter, and on the right hand side we have stereo controls and phone controls, including voice activation for the phone. So if you hit that button and ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, it can do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is of course once you paired the phone, which is done on the touchscreen in the centre. You can see that we've got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing that working on our website and on our Facebook page, which is well worth checking out. We go back to the home page. When it comes to music, got plenty of options there as well. So we have AM, FM and DAB digital radio. We've got a CD player. You can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. And we have a couple of separate USB inputs, so you can plug devices into those, and you'll have them appearing up here as options on top of what you see already. If we go back to the home screen, this is where you'll pay your phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And once that's done, you can make phone calls and receive phone calls, of course, and you'll be able to stream your music wirelessly, as we've already discussed. Below that we have the CD player, and then dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the temperature on the passenger side, the driver side, and your adjustments will all show on screen here. So driver, passenger, your fan speed adjustment, and it's adjusted using these buttons in the middle just here. When you're happy with the settings, you can press that button to turn the air conditioning on, or you can hit auto and the car will maintain those temperatures for you by taking control of the fan speed. You can override that at any time you wish to, and you'll be back on your manual mode there. We've got a proper heated front screen, as well as the heated rear screen, heated driver's seat and heated passenger seat as well. In this cubbyhole section, which opens up, we have a 12-volt charging socket and the 2 USB inputs that I mentioned previously. We'll then have the fully automatic gearbox with electronic handbrake, and to the right hand side of that, this button will turn on or off the parking sensors, and this turns off the stop and start. So this car's designed to cut out in traffic when you're stationary to save you fuel. You can turn that system off by hitting that button. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.